Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Korean style short ribs. We're going to start off with a nice big mixing bowl. 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. 2 cups of soy sauce. We're going to put 1/2 a cup of Worcestershire sauce in. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I've chopped up a bunch of scallions. We're going to throw those in, along with about 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon granulated onion, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. And we're going to give this a nice mix. Then I've got this product that I got off Amazon. It's called the 5-minute marinator. And it works like a charm. No more marinating overnight. So you just pour some of your marinade in. Then we're going to place our ribs in, meat side down. Get them all in there nice and tight. And while I'm placing those ribs in, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. Then we'll pour the rest of the marinade on. We'll put the lid on. Crank it down. It's got this little guy here that sucks out all the air. You just let it sit for 5 minutes. Pop it open. And your meat has been marinated like it's been sitting there for 24 hours. Now we're going to place our ribs into a baking dish. I like these disposable ones I get at Sam's Club. Less things to wash. So we get all the ribs in there. Then we're going to pour the rest of that marinade back over the top of these ribs. Then we're going to seal nice and tight with some aluminum foil. Turn the oven up to 280 degrees. And we're going to put these in there, in that oven for 4 hours. Just let them go. Don't touch them. Let them be. All right, time flies. Here we go. Take them out of the oven. Remove the foil. Careful, it's very hot. Look at that. Some have already fallen off the bone. So we'll remove those to a plate. Then I'm going to remove the marinade into a saute pan. Turn that on medium heat and let that cook down halfway. And while that marinade is cooking down, I got the grill nice and hot. I'm going to put these on meat side down first for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then we'll come back and we'll flip them bone side down for about another 4 minutes or so. Just get them nice and caramelized. And then we'll go back in the house, set them up on our platter, and our sauce is ready to cover the top with the nice marinade. Not too much, just get a nice little color to them. Then I hit them with some chopped chives and some sesame seed. And you're ready to serve these amazing Korean barbecue ribs. They are awesome. Give them a try and come back again soon. Thank you.